How to turn on quiet mode on Instagram Android. So hi guys, the first thing that we're going to do is to simply open our Instagram application in our mobile device. Once you've opened your Instagram application, in the lower right hand corner, you can actually see your profile icon. Click on it, and after that, just click on the hamburger icon in the upper right hand corner. Now here in this section, let's go to settings and privacy and select on notifications. After selecting on notification, you will see quiet mode in the push notification option right there. Now you can actually enable by clicking that one, and you could also set up the time if you would want to, but I will stick to this automatic quiet mode option right here. And that's about it for today's video, guys. Hope you enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.